What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. It's me, Sunny. Today is day 3 of my Ftmo challenge. So here are my stats for today. I ended up having to close 2 trades today, and I opened up, I think, like 2 or 3 more. So let's scroll down. So we have my max daily loss, 3,800. This 3,800 is a bit high for me. I feel like I should be a little bit lower than that, but I don't plan on going any higher than this. And my max loss so far in the challenge has been 4,223. Um, this, I believe, doesn't, I believe this includes like the drawdown. It's not the amount of closed trades so far that I've lost. So far, my profit is in the negative 2,800 roughly. And I've opened up, oh, here. Yeah, so here's the 3 trades that I ended up closing. Well, actually, 2 today. Was CAD Franc and Euro AUD. One was for about $243. I ended up having to close that trade because uh, it was going in the opposite trend, which I had. I was going long, and the trend was becoming short, so I had to close out of that trade. And then with Euro AUD, I was going short, and the trend was going in the opposite direction, so I ended up having to close that trade to kind of cut my losses, and I ended up taking a loss of $122, and my overall account balance so far is 97,438. Again, I started with $100,000 account, so I'm kind of in the negative, and profit target is 10,000. Someone had brought to my attention in the other video. I thought I had 30 days to complete the challenge, but when you actually factor in the weekends when the markets close, it's actually less than 30 days. So, so yes, I have a few more trades open up. Hoping bring my account back up with these trades. Let me pull up my trades that I have open to show you guys. I think I have in total like maybe like 5 trades open. All right, so here we are. We got USD franc, New Zealand USD, GBP, New Zealand dollar, Euro JPY, AUD and New Zealand dollar, and Euro CAD. So far with the USD franc, I'm at negative 102, and the Euro CAD at negative $670 roughly. The other trades happen to be in the positive, but overall I'm at negative 266. So yeah, so like the way I trade is a bit different than most traders. I don't use support and resistance or do Fibonacci or anything like that. Um, the way I trade is I have a set of indicators that I use together, and I guess you could say I call them like my confirmation indicators, where if like say two of those indicators are letting me know that I should enter a trade, then I'll enter a trade. And I have also an exit indicator that lets me know when to exit out of a trade before it hits my stop loss, which is what happened with these 2 trades that I ended up closing today. My exit indicator was telling me to leave these trades, so I ended up cutting my losses there. And I guess you could call the way that I trade is the no nonsense forex way. There's a guy on YouTube here that teaches that way of trading, and I've been watching his videos for like the past, I'd say like maybe almost a year now. And I've actually started forex back in 2016, but I stopped. It just wasn't really clicking with me. And then these past couple of months or past year, I kind of went back into it again, and I came across his channel. If you search in Google No Nonsense Forex, you should be able to pull up his channel, and he teaches you how to pretty much create like an algorithm with a set of indicators that let you know when to enter a trade, when to exit a trade, as well as like a baseline. Basically, I trade trends, which is why I don't use like support and resistance and all that other stuff. So if you're looking into learning that style of trading, definitely give his channel a search. So yeah, so I'm looking forward to completing this FTMO challenge. Um, so I just wanted to give you guys an update. Here are my day 3 stats. Be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in day 4. Give you guys an update on that. Peace.